Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
The Ritz Carlton card was a premium Marriott co-branded card with an annual fee of $50 and features worth weighing against rewards and travel habits. It offered a welcome bonus of 60,000 Marriott points and an anniversary free night certificate valid up to 40,000 points, which offsets part of the fee for annual stays. The card also included a 00 global entry or TSA pre-check credit, automatic mid-tier elite recognition at Marriott, and elevated room benefits for many travelers. To decide if the Ritz Carlton card is worth it, calculate your break-even point by comparing the $50 annual fee to tangible benefits you will use. If you value Marriott points at about 0.8 cents each, a 60,000 point bonus equals roughly 80 in value, covering the fee in year one alone. Subtract the 00 global entry credit to reduce the first-year effective fee to 50, and add the anniversary free night value and elite perks to see recurring annual worth versus other cards. The Ritz Carlton card makes sense if you stay at Marriott properties often, redeem anniversary nights, and use elite benefits. Frequent Marriott guests who redeem 40,000 point nights annually extract strong value. If you prefer transferability or broader airline and hotel options, compare this card to other 50 annual fee cards or Chase cards with transferable points, especially if you rarely stay at Marriott. For occasional travelers, a no-fee or lower-fee travel card may provide better overall value and flexibility than a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.